Khong Chong has apologised for his outburst against Penang DAP chairperson Stephen Sim. This was over the incident at a tribute dinner for Lim Guan Eng in Penang on Saturday. In a statement today, Tan said he wishes to publicly apologize to Sim and the party for the incident and events that followed after the dinner. He added that he regretted what he did and is fully responsible for his own actions. Meanwhile, Sim has described the incident as just a storm in a teacup. In a statement, Sim said that when he was appointed as Penang DAP chief, he had made party unity as the core of their efforts to provide better services for the people of the state. Therefore, he said he did not want to prolong any issues that bring no benefit towards this. He added that the party should move on and move forward, together and stronger. Sim also said that he has known Tan for a long time and praised him as a loyal party member. Previously, it was reported that Tan had berated Sim with Hokkien vulgarities after a dinner on Saturday night. A portion of the incident was captured on video and has since gone viral on social media. In the video, Tan was seen approaching Sim and repeatedly shouting "traitor" for nearly 10 seconds. Tan, who is a special assistant to Lim Guan Eng, was standing behind Sim and had also loudly accused him of attempting to undermine his boss.
An associate of DAP National Chairperson Lim Guan Eng was openly seen berating the party's Penang chief Stephen Sim with Hokkien vulgarities at a recent dinner. The dinner was held to honour party veteran Lim Guan Eng. An eyewitness told Malaysia Kini that the incident happened when Sim greeted the supporters after the dinner. As guests were leaving, a man identified as Khong Chong, a special assistant to Guan Eng, approached Sim and repeatedly shouted "traitor" for nearly 10 seconds. In a video of the incident, which had spread on social media, Sim remained composed and responded only with a smile. The video footage shows Sim greeting attendees and posing for photos, while Tan, standing behind him, loudly accused him in Hokkien of attempting to undermine his boss. At one point, Tan also hurled a vulgar insult at Sim. When contacted by Malaysia Kini yesterday, Sim appeared unconcerned about the incident. He said the event was about celebrating Kit Siang's birthday, and that is what matters most to him, and everything else is unimportant. Ironically, the incident occurred on the same day that DAP Secretary General Anthony Loke dismissed claims of any internal strife within the party.
Umno Youth chief Dr Akmal Saleh has called for a corn seller who had posted a racist sign to be punished. In a post on Facebook today, he said the apology by the corn seller was not enough, and the man should face legal action over an insult like this towards a racial community. He said no matter who does it, the law must be enforced to serve as a lesson to others. If not, Akmal said the culture of act first, apologize later, will become more prevalent as such people can get away with it easily. Meanwhile, DAP chairperson Lim Guan Eng said the incident was a reality check, highlighting the need for an anti-racial discrimination law. In a statement on Sunday, Lim said that an anti-racial discrimination law should be enacted to check and punish deliberate incitement of racial hatred and extremist acts targeted at any community purely on grounds of race or background. He added that the incident was a reality check that must be addressed by enforcement and punishment. Failure to do so, he warned, could lead to a breakdown of racial and religious harmony in the country. A video that went viral on social media over the weekend showed a roadside stall selling roasted corn displaying an offensive sign. The seller had apologized for the sign in a video last night.
A corn seller who sparked controversy over a racially insensitive signboard has apologized to Malaysians, particularly the Indian community, for his actions. This was announced by National Unity Minister Aaron Aguadagang. In a post on X, he shared a link to the seller's apology and said that the leaders of the neighborhood watch in the area had acted as mediators in resolving the issue. Aaron said their role in addressing this matter has strengthened public confidence in the neighborhood watch as an agent of unity and conflict resolution. He added that it also highlights the importance of cooperation between community leaders and authorities in preserving a harmonious and peaceful environment. The apology was made at a restaurant in Sepang yesterday.
Ada berlaku kesilapan daripada penjagaan, saya tahu itu poster iklan, saya tahu menyinggung perasaan perkataan yang tak elok tu. Jadi saya mengaku saya bersalah lah. Saya minta maaf seluruh rakyat Malaysia lah, terutama sekali pada kaum India dan begitu juga orang Melayu, orang Cina apa. Jadi saya minta kerjasama kepada publik supportlah hak penjaga kecil. Itu sebenarnya. Saya berlaku benda ni tanpa niat yang tak elok pada saya. Jadi tak sangka benda ni sebenarnya niat tak baik. Jadi saya tak tambah ada kesedaran yang perbuatan saya itu adalah salah. Jadi saya minta seluruh rakyat Malaysia, terutama sekali orang India, Melayu, Cina, saya minta maaf lah. Saya sekali lagi saya ulang, terutama sekali pada orang India. Saya minta maaf lah, perkara ini takkan berulang lagi. Sekian, terima kasih.
The MACC probe on the Sabah corruption scandal is still underway, with the graft buster recently taking statements from 5 individuals, including a politician. The actions came following emergence of videos with claims of misconduct in awarding state projects. However, MACC chief Azam Baki reportedly said that the video evidence available thus far as published by Malaysia Kini is not usable. According to Bernama, Azam said the MACC's forensic analysis indicated that the videos have been edited and lack credibility, rendering them inadmissible as evidence. He also reiterated that the whistleblower had not furnished the MACC with any evidence thus far. Azam added that he had no intention of calling in Malaysia Kini over the videos, saying he respected its freedom to report. A whistleblower had released the videos to Malaysia Kini, which implicated multiple Sabah assembly persons in allegedly taking bribes from him. The business person had initially sought whistleblower protection in exchange for evidence, but was denied due to his role as the alleged bribe giver. Senior lawyer Shafi Abdullah has urged Sabah Chief Minister Hajiji Noor and the implicated assembly persons to lodge a police report against his client, the whistleblower who had released videos on an alleged corruption scandal in the state. Speaking to Malaysia Kini, Shafi said that the state government shouldn't waste this golden chance to clear its name. Shafi said his client is ready to be arrested and investigated for allegedly spreading fake videos that have tarnished the reputations of Hajiji and 8 assembly persons. Shafi's challenge came after MACC Chief Commissioner Azam Baki said that the videos were edited and thus unusable as evidence. Commenting on this, he said edited is a broad term and questioned if MACC is claiming the videos were manipulated or are they referring to his client's voice being altered for anonymity. Shafi added that if the videos were truly doctored, then the police should launch an investigation immediately and arrest the whistleblower, and he will guarantee all the evidence will be handed over. On February 5th, Shafi had revealed that his client still has more than half a dozen videos in his possession and additional screenshots of WhatsApp messages. Meanwhile, Hajiji has dismissed the allegations as an attempt to tarnish his administration, suggesting that the whistleblower is collaborating with parties with vested interests. The ham and cheese sandwich at the center of a controversy last month does not contain any pork. This is according to Domestic Trade and Cost of Living Minister Armazan Muhammad Ali. He was quoted by Sabah media yesterday as saying that lab test results that were released on January 20th confirmed there was no porcine DNA in the sandwich. However, he said the sandwich makers were charged with misusing the halal logo. He said the case was referred to the Attorney General's chambers on January 23rd, and charges were filed the next day. He added that the process moved fast to ensure justice and transparency. He said this in rebutting accusations that his ministry was slow to act on the controversy. On January 10th, a University Malaya student group published a video raising concerns about whether ham and cheese sandwiches being sold at a KK Mart outlet on campus were actually halal. This led to a raid on the factory where the sandwiches were made, with samples sent to the chemistry department for testing.